The Stone Arch Bridge is back open, and rain or shine, people are taking advantage of this iconic Mississippi River crossing. On Saturday, the Minnesota Department of Transportation held a reopening celebration for the bridge after it had been closed for over a year. The bridge was supposed to reopen in October, but officially reopened several months ahead of schedule on July 21st. Minneapolis City Council member Michael Rainville represents the downtown West neighborhood on one side of the bridge and Marcy Homes on the other side.
You know, the construction, as they kept replacing the mortar and lifting up the new stones, they just got better at it. It was muscle memory. They repeated the actions. They got better, smarter, and thank goodness instead of being open in October, it was actually open in July.
The bridge was originally built in the 1880s for railroad magnate James J. Hill's Great Northern Railway. Trains crossed this bridge up until the late 1980s and was officially abandoned in 1987. In 1992, MnDOT gained ownership of the bridge, and it's now an iconic landmark for pedestrians. The most recent renovations started in April 2024 with the Marcy Homes side of the bridge across the river behind me. Last December, crews switched and started work on the downtown side of the bridge where I'm standing now.
And I just moved to this part of Minneapolis last year, so when we moved here, this was not available to us. We couldn't get all the way across, and I walk a lot, and anyway, I was looking forward to the day that it would be opened, and it is.
At Saturday's celebration, MnDOT booths explained the history of the bridge and the material used to build it. One of the trucks used on the project was there, and so were a few members of the University of Minnesota Marching Band.
This bridge is a wonderful amenity. Life in the city has some rough edges, but things like this soften the edges, art, good infrastructure.
And Rainville said the bridge shouldn't need another major overhaul for about another 100 years. For the Hubbard Reporting Experience, I'm Casey Marble.